Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to polish jewelry with an eraser. This will be a full tutorial with easy steps, so let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, the only piece of jewelry I have on right now today at the moment is my ring, my wedding ring, which most of the time this is pretty much the only piece of jewelry that I wear. When I found out about this method, I was astonished at how well it worked, because I thought, honestly, I'm like, it's not going to work at all. It's not going to take your piece of jewelry. Let's get right to the point. It's not going to take your piece of jewelry and all of a sudden it's going to look like it's brand new. Definitely not. But what it will do is it will easily and quickly clean it up. And you always have erasers available. I'm actually a full-time elementary school teacher at the time of filming this. I'm always going to be an elementary school teacher. I always say I'm going to retire as a teacher. Like eventually, many years down the line. I don't know if I'm going to be full-time for my whole career, just because things have taken off elsewhere, all my online businesses and stuff. But right now, I'm still full-time, so I always have erasers lying around. So I'm constantly cleaning my ring, and I'll show you how easy it is. I'm going to remove my ring. As you can see, based on the mark, I literally never take my wedding ring off. I made a separate video about that, actually. I never take it off, ever, except when I'm cleaning it. So what you're going to do is take your eraser, very, very simply, and you're going to just erase on the piece of jewelry. And I'm going to show you what it does. So basically, as you erase on the piece of jewelry, first and foremost, it will remove all the dirt, all the grime, all the oils on there, right? This stays on my finger, so it does get oily, it does get dirty, it does get grimy, and I literally wear this. If I'm painting a room in the house, I wear it. When I was pouring concrete, I was wearing it. So I wear it all the time. Sometimes I wear gloves with it on, obviously, but I always wear it. So it gets dirty, to say the least, okay? So when you're erasing it, what's going to happen is you're going to first and foremost remove all of the oils, all of the dirt, all of the grime, anything that's on there, you're going to take it off. Now, the next thing is that there might be some micro scratches. I'll show you. My wedding ring, like I said, because I wear it all the time, it gets scratched really easily. You want to know the best part about it? My uncle is a jeweler. My uncle owns a jewelry store. So my uncle's a jeweler. So that's the number one thing about it. I'm going to shut this door because my wife actually just came home with the kids upstairs. And I'm just going to close this door just because they're about to come inside. And I don't want all the craziness when they come in and they're going to hear me and stuff. So I'm going to finish this video, then I'm going to head upstairs. But anyways, my uncle owns a jewelry store. So the best part about it is that I can just go and he'll just polish this for free. I bring it to him as I'm going to stop by for coffee, and he'll just buff it up. I just never take the time to go do it. Okay, but as you can see, it is really scuffed up. Let's get the camera to focus if I can. Let's see if I can. Hopefully I can. It's hard to see. It's kind of blurry, but it is really, really scuffed up, okay? But what it does when you erase it is it takes those micro scratches and it sort of buffs them up a little bit. I just bit my lip. Buffs them up a little bit, okay? So it's not going to take this and make it look brand new. Definitely not. But any tiny little scratches, it will buff them up. And you would be surprised, okay? The number of scratches, there's so many scratches on this ring, but most of them are tiny little scratches. Most of them are micro scratches, and doing this allows me to sort of buff them out, okay? And it works really, really well, and especially so with removing all that dirt and grime, because your ring might be scratched, your piece of jewelry might be scratched, but most likely it just looks like it's not polished because of the dirt and grime. So after you do that, you could just rub the piece of jewelry just a little bit like this, okay? And all of a sudden, it's going to be not like brand new, but it will be a step up. Very, very simple. This is my son's eraser. I just grabbed it from his pencil case. That's why it's funny, because I always remember as a kid, you get an eraser and like the first thing you do is you draw on it. The eraser is like brand new. Like literally, it's unused, as you can see, right? Right away he drew it. So I'm dying of laughter. It's so funny. I'm gonna go bring it upstairs and show him. Hey, Luke, what did you do here, buddy? It doesn't even matter. It's totally fine. It's just funny. Reliving it. I get to relive my childhood memories through my own kids, which is awesome. So yeah, anyways, as you can see, like I said, I saw on my camera motion sensor that my wife and kids came home. So I'm going to go up there and I'm going to go, it's their bedtime. So I'm going to go and help put them to bed and stuff and do the nighttime routine and stuff like that. So for myself, this shift is over of this work and my other shift begins as a parent, as a father. So anyways, you know how it is. It is what it is. It's all good. I love it. I wouldn't trade it for anything. It is absolutely fantastic, right? Anyways, with that being said, that is how to polish jewelry with an eraser, a full tutorial with easy steps. Take the eraser, rub the eraser on the jewelry. It works with silver, gold, platinum, diamond, I don't know, like it works with all jewelry. I've used it, I have a gold necklace that I wear sometimes. I have my watches that sometimes the watches, especially the underside of the watches, gets all gross. And it works super well on the watches. So if you're looking for a way to clean your watches, honestly, like obviously you can bring it to a professional, get it cleaned properly, and that will do a better job. But for just a quick little 1, 2, 3 quick little thing, that's definitely good. So that's it. Anyways, like I said, I gotta head upstairs and do my fatherly duty. So if you like this video tutorial, and if you like the fact that I'm finishing lunch, here, let's just go over this right now. I worked today. I work full-time as an elementary school teacher. Okay, came home, dealt with my younger 2 babies, because I have 4 kids, so we have twins that are younger. Dealt with the twins while my wife had the older 2 out at an event. Put them to bed, did some videos now, right? I'm going to go upstairs and now help my wife with the older 2 kids, and I'm going to come back down and do some videos after everybody's asleep. And I've, chilled out with my wife for half an hour. Now we're going to come back down and do some more. But yeah, that's it. If you like that, if you respect and appreciate it, smash the like button. I'm not saying like, oh, I'm the best, but I know there's an appreciation out there for guys that work hard to get stuff done. And I like to believe that I'm one of those people. So anyways, if you like this video tutorial, please be sure, without further ado, to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.